We're getting on a flight to South Africa in pre-season. In them days it was totally different. Obviously the manager went business class, we would be in the economy, all the players. George Graham, he went, right lads, no drinking allowed for 12 hours on this plane. 2 hours into the flight, all of a sudden, George Graham has walked past us, he's been on the wine and he's swaying, he's like, whoa. We know exactly what he's going to do. Get to his seat, fall asleep. So Les went, right, we're going to have a beer. For the next 10 hours, we was right on the sauce. We was getting the drinks in. Oh, we had all the stewardesses giving us drinks all the way. So we got off this plane, and George has been asleep for 8 hours. So he don't know what's happened at all. Best thing about it was we had training at like 6 o'clock that evening. But now we get back to our hotel at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So the lads are going, well, we've still got a flavour for a few beers. Let's go down the beach bar. So now it's 5 o'clock. One of the lads went, we got training at 6. Now we're absolutely slaughtered. We've all gone back to about 5:30, got our kits, put it on, and you could see the faces all looking at each other laughing. People are falling over balls, they're tripping over people's legs, and it was like a circus, seriously, it was like being in a circus. And George Graham was going mad, he's going, you lot disgrace, we can't compete with teams if you're going to go out and